Okie doke. So this video, a little short right here, this is in no way throwing shade on the commenter here. It just caught my attention and it brings me to question what should I be selling? In my estimation, in my understanding, and in my experience, there are very few products on the market, and there have been very few products on the market for decades that excel and outperform their competition by drastic margins. And I believe Amsoil to be one of those products. So I have to ask, if I'm not going to sell something that is of this type of premium level, what should I be selling? Should I just call up one of the oil delivery companies and buy the generic bulk pump oil for, $2.13 a quart and then sell it for $3.99 and offer, $30 oil changes, and then make them have to come back at 2,500 or 3,500 miles with sludge buildup and coking because the oil broke down at 2,000? I want to know what I should sell to deliver the best value to my customers and to deliver the best recommendations to the viewers. Many of you guys know I'm a buy once, cry once kind of person, and I prefer quality products over substandard, inferior, or just baseline par level products. So I'd like to know what you guys think that I should be retailing. If not the best, what else should I pick? I do not have a lot of customers that scoff at the idea of paying $14 a quart for oil, because here's the deal with this. It's not imperative that you spill and fill that engine oil at 3,000 miles. In the real world, we're operating under high heat, severe duty circumstances. Watch, I'll show you. Here's some severe duty right here. See that? Severe duty circumstances. It's almost 80 degrees outside, and I run the crap out of my vehicles. And a lot of you guys do too as well, words. So what should I be selling in this thing? Should I just put in some, regular castor blend, generic mineral Pennzoil? And no shade on Pennzoil, but I don't want to trust my creation, my machine, my depreciating asset, my investment, the thing I may or may not have a loan out on, my $80,000, brand new F350. Why should I want to trust that? And why would I feel comfortable protecting that on run-of-the-mill, everyday, average, barely making the specs engine oil when there is a much, much better alternative in existence? We operate in severe duty, we operate in traffic, we tow trailers, we have boats, we have motorcycles. People have a lot of nice stuff and they want to protect it. And if that means you spend $140 on an oil change instead of $19.99, then so be it, because you got to pay to play. Additionally, when you use a higher tier product like an Amsoil or a Pennzoil, what's that high level Pennzoil they make? The Ultra Platinum. If I were to use like Amsoil or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, theoretically I'm not really bound to that 3,000 mile oil change interval, so I could probably run that up to 5, 6, 7, maybe 8,000 miles. So what does that do for me? I don't have to have the vehicle down for service as often. There's less time, less money, and less energy put into the maintenance, because I know, for example, I could get an Amsoil 6X 1540 diesel oil for this truck, and I could probably run this truck up to 20,000 miles on that oil. And I actually intend to do such things. What I'm going to do is, after this first initial Amsoil oil change that I've done on this vehicle, I just switched it about 2-3 months ago from Rotella. I was running T6 Rotella. So if I were to, what I'm gonna do is run this out, first oil change with Amsoil, and then I'm going to install what's called an oil filter bypass system. And that's basically an add-on oil filter that has your primary engine oil filter that's a 20 micron filter. And then there's a bypass filter next to that that runs down to a 2 micron filter. So what it's supposed to do, that 2 micron filter is supposed to remove engine and diesel soot from the oil, because that soot is a little bit abrasive and it actually takes away from the oil's ability to lubricate. So according to Amsoil, if I were to run their 6X additive package extended life diesel oil with an Amsoil bypass filter system, I could potentially see 25 to maybe even 30,000 miles out of one single oil change. And I intend to test that theory. I'm gonna run this current engine oil out with just some regular Amsoil diesel oil. The next oil change, after lab testing, of course, I'm going to install that filter, and I'm actually going to upgrade the oil quality level one more time to a different tier, and I'm going to proceed to run that oil and then test it like every 5,000 miles. And I want to see if their claim of 20,000 miles is legitimate. If I can't get 15,000 out of that oil with or without that bypass filter, then I will back away and I will relinquish my Amsoil dealer credentials, and I will no longer recommend premium products, and I'll just start selling like Walmart oil. If that's what you guys want to see, that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to test it out first before we let our opinions and our emotions take control of the situation. So again, I'm not throwing shade on the commenter. I simply wanted to use this as an opportunity to further the discussion. So having said that, let me know what you think about this concept in the comment section down below. And of course, don't forget to tap that like and subscribe button while you're down there. Thank you guys for watching. It's going to end this video. See you later, in a day, in a video, in a transmission.